All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of our $50 break credit from last Friday night. So we'll check the time, March 1st at 4:06 p.m. Going to go over to the break credit raffle and type live. And we've got March 1st at 4:06 p.m. There is the list of our 150 non-winning spots from last week. We're just going to randomize this list, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 8 or higher with 3 dice. And we have 7, 8. So there we go. 8 times. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Alex, spot 2 in whatever this was in. So, Alex, you have won $50 break credit. There is our, way down at the bottom here. There is our timestamp, our verification code. March 1st, 4:07 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.